Hello there and welcome to your Thursday evening forecast. Here are your headlines for this evening and overnight into Friday. It's another frosty night, temperatures sub-zero, particularly in the countryside and fairly widespread across England and Wales. More cloud across Scotland, but not everywhere. Certainly towards the north and the west, we'll see some clearer skies and mist and fog patches where we see light breezes. So let's take a look at the detail. Well, here's that weather front which has been with us for the last few days. Continue to see a little bit of patchy rain and drizzle, particularly over the hills. The winds developing across this eastern side, southeastern portion of England, so it's going to feel colder, particularly tomorrow. You'll notice the difference. Fairly widespread frost where we're seeing starry skies overnight, sub-zero across many areas, and we will see a frost across the far northwest of Scotland, and we can't rely on this cloud band here across Northern Ireland or Scotland. There will be some holes in that cloud, and where we do see some, we could actually see pockets of frost. So it will be a cold start to Friday. The other weather element that we may see first thing on Friday morning is mist and fog patches. Places prone, such as the Vale of York, could see some fog first thing. Some low misty cloud perhaps shrouding the hills of Scotland. However, the fog and the mist in the south across England and Wales will burn off quite quickly through the first part of Friday morning. So through Friday, that weather front is still with us, again producing a little bit of patchy rain and drizzle. Again, not a lot. Towards the northwest, we could see one or two showers moving in, particularly for the Northern Isles. And to the south across England and Wales, fine, dry, with some sunshine, but notice the wind picking up some strength from the North Sea. Hence the reason why temperatures along this east coast will be possibly 8, 9, 10 degrees Celsius. Now, through this week, we have seen values as high as 19 Celsius, sheltered from the wind, particularly towards the west. You'll notice the difference everywhere outside on Friday. It's going to feel a bit cooler and cooler still into the weekend. So through Friday evening and overnight, again, that wind will pick up further strength. You can see this weather front here with the breeze. It is going to sink down towards Cumbria, Northumberland, Yorkshire, perhaps even Lancashire, Greater Manchester through the early hours of Saturday morning. So you'll wake up to some more cloud than the last few days. And we will see more cloud exposed to the breeze coming in from the north or the northeast, and a cold start to the day further south. A bit frosty in places, but the frost won't be as widespread. So here's your bigger picture into the weekend. It's this high pressure system here which will build and introduce a cold north to northeasterly. Blue colours extending all the way down the country through the weekend. It's going to feel cold in that wind, a squeeze on the isobars, and that wind also blowing in some wintry showers. So all in all, feeling a lot colder than the beginning of the week, and certainly there will still be some sunshine around. Favoured spots will be towards the west, sheltered from that strong and cold wind. So on Saturday morning, patchy cloud across England and Wales, sinking down towards the Midlands. And then you can see more showers just moving in on that strong wind across the north and the east of Scotland. And we could see quite frequent bursts down towards northern counties of England, East Anglia, the Midlands even. A strong biting wind here. Now further west, Northern Ireland seeing a brisk breeze, the Isle of Man as well, but we will see some sunshine and more sunshine through the day for the western side of Scotland, West Wales, the West Country, central southern England. But yes, that wind will be stronger and temperatures will be lower. Values come in around 7 to 11 degrees Celsius. In shelter places such as Portsmouth, Southampton, perhaps you'll get a 12 or a 13, and some fine weather for the Channel Islands, but you'll be exposed to that wind as well. So through the next few days into the weekend, high pressure still in charge. It means predominantly dry weather, but showers likely in the east. And certainly on Sunday, we could see them turning even more wintry along that eastern side. Bye-bye.